Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. Of course, we have an echo going on because today we have the lovely shirt. If you've been following me, you know what this shirt is. That means today we are dyeing our hair. So I have my bunty knots on. So today we are going to bleach my hair. I don't know. We're going to bleach my hair using Inecto dye. So I am from ShopRite right now, and I just ran to actually get the dye. I have bleached my hair before, but I think it was Revlon. So today we are using Inecto. Anyways, without me talking too much, this dye is worth $28.99. Like guys, I just dyed my hair black and the dye I got it from Makuleng. It was 14 rands. I don't know why I went to ShopRite. I don't know what's the difference between the formulas. Is it real? Is it not real? I don't know. So let me just open this right here. So anyways, Inecto has been the baby. It's been there for years, and I've been using the black color. I've never used any other color. So today we just sort of experimenting in a way. So I'm hoping to actually achieve this color right here, this blonde right here. I am not dying for this because the last time we dyed our hair we looked orange, and I'm hoping we do not go there today. But my hair is super black, guys, like, and my hair is growing, y'all. Like, I've been neglecting my hair. This is how long my hair is. I've been neglecting my hair, so I thought, why not just ruin my hair this last time, or especially this December. I think I'm gonna be dyeing my hair like 4 times or 3 times, we'll see. So I was like, since my hair is still a bit short, why not, you know, experiment with colors and, you know, enjoy the colors before I can actually, you know, grow my hair, because I don't know how well my hair reacts to dye, but the black one is doing pretty well. So right, like, I've been super bored, guys, with my hair. I don't know what to do. I don't want to go to the salon and do my hair, so I'm always in knots. Like, I never leave my hair out. I'm no longer applying any shebe powders or all those things. All I do is to just apply the Afro Botanics products while my knots are on, and then that's it. So the box inside, when you open, comes with, I'm sure this dye, like, you know, it has been here forever. So you've got your, what is this, your color developer right here, and then you've got your Inecto, you've got your permanent hair color. Oh my goodness, I don't want to dye my hair permanently, but anyways, we're gonna dye it black if we don't like it. And then we've got the Aloe Protein conditioner. That is how it looks like. Oh, okay, my shirt is like going down because my mic is on, so I know we're looking kind of weird right now. We've got a spatula in, and we've got hand gloves together with the instructions that I never read, but yeah, I think if you are interested, you can just read all that. And I'm not going to wash my hair because I heard it's always better to actually dye your hair when it's still dirty. You don't want to wash your hair before that, you know. Look, listen to me trying to be like a specialist. But anyways, can you guys see? Let us show you the colors before. Can you see the oil that I put? Like, this is buildup of oil on top. So this is how my hair is looking. Of course, I dyed my hair black like a few weeks ago, and it's got a lot of oil. Oh my god, my castor oil is gonna like scream. Oh my god, my castor oil has been wasted. Why would I do that to myself? Like, Okay, it's time to mix. Let me just close my laptop because we don't wanna get it dirty and stuff. I'm just gonna put my bowl. So I'm just gonna open this baby right here. I hope I don't stain my table, y'all, because I'm gonna die. Like, so I'm gonna like do the other side, you know, just open. So this is how the dye is looking. It's pretty much yellow. Now we're going in with the developer. I'm just gonna put everything in, y'all, like everything. Now I'm gonna go in with my spatula that it comes in with. I'm just gonna mix this together. Oh my god, it looks like custard. It feels like Christmas already. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to eat that Christmas custard. It just slaps differently. Yeah, like, it tastes wonderful. Oh, look at that. Yum yum. This is how it's looking after it's been mixed. Focus. Ooh, creamy. Let's get our gloves on so that we can furthermore ruin, we can furthermore ruin our hair, you're like. Let the game begin. Where do I start? Let's hope I don't regret this, yo. So from what I know is that your roots actually die quicker, so you want to start on top. You want to start dyeing your hair from top. I don't think it's necessary with my hair because it's pretty much short, but anyways, we're gonna like just do that. Ooh, my eyes, it really smells like dye. So I actually bought 2 of this just in case, you know, we run out. So my hair has been through a lot this year. It's like it's also on its own pandemic. It's on a dye pandemic. For sure it's busy shouting, oh my god, can you just stop applying down my hair? So we gotta like enjoy before it grows real quick, if it ever grows, because I honestly don't know why didn't I just buy the 30 volume developer to bleach my hair, but anyways, we just want to see how Inecto behaves. So anyways, let's just wait for this to, am I supposed to wear a plastic bag? I think so. Okay, I'm just gonna go with their plastic bag, and I hope my hair doesn't turn out this color because put it like that. I'm so impatient, y'all. It's been like 15 minutes and I just want to see what's going on because my head is starting to be tinglish a little bit. Like it's burning. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. So, oh my god, the middle parts are actually taking. So I think I should just be more patient. It's taking a little bit more time. Actually, can you see, guys, like this side is doing it, and I have a feeling that we are turning red. But anyways, I will just wait for like 15 minutes or an hour. I don't want to wear plastic anymore because I feel like it gives me this weird burn. So I will just leave my hair like this, you know, and then let it sit. I don't know, what should I watch? Is City of Joburg really nice, or is it peer pressure? Or it's nice because I really want to watch it. Like I want to watch it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it. So I think I should just start watching it right now while my hair dies. But I'm not sure if people are just hyping it or it's actually nice. But anyways, I don't know what to watch. What are you guys watching? Like, can you please suggest any series, guys? Like, can you please suggest any series that you know, like that is really nice? Like, I think I haven't watched a lot of series, so please, guys, please list the ones that you really. Oh, I'm just looking at my hair. Please just tell me which ones I should watch other than City of Joburg, but I'll try to kind of watch it. So I believe that you know what, I always fail at this. Like, I always fail. I don't know what's wrong with me, but nothing is cool. So here's what's going on. Oh my god. So what's going on is some parts took the dye, as you guys can see. So it's been an hour now, and I don't think, guys, we are even like only the roots and some parts of the. I'm just using my hands because I'm pasty right now. I don't know why, because can you see how saturated this is? I don't know if it's because my hair is super black, but you know what, we're gonna try this again and see which will be the last time. Whatever happens after, guys, we're just gonna style and move on with our lives. We're gonna see what we're gonna do. So anyways, I'm just going to wash my hair. So one thing that I'm gonna tell you guys, never dye your hair black and then go in with Inecto dye to do it, because can you see, like, as I'm busy like taking out, it looks like my black dye is actually just coming out with this product right here. So I think the problem is actually the black dye that I used like weeks ago. So like they're sort of like reacting with each other or something like that. But anyways, let me just wash my hand and try it again and see what the results are. Whatever we get is whatever it is. Do you guys see anything? Like, do you see anything? Inecto, what the hell is going on? What is going on? The only thing I see is that my hair has shrunk, like nothing at all. The only part that I see is the side, which would have been nice if my whole head was like this, because I was just gonna go back and dye again. But this is the color that we're looking for. Can you guys see? It's like I've got patches of blonde. You see those grandmas with gray hairs, like patches like that. You're like, what the hell is going on? Why do I have to fail at this? Like, why? What is wrong with me? Oh no. You know what, y'all? This is a waste of time and I am really sad. It's making me sad. It's making me so sad.
It's upsetting me and my homegirl.
Okay, so this is what's going on. This has not taken dye at all. It did try this time, and you know what? Let's just call it a day. I'm just tired, like. So this is what happened. Like this is making me sad. Like, it's making me sad. So this is what happened. You're like, it did take a little bit. It's been like years, and my head is spinning and I just can't hold it anymore. I think it's been like more than 40 minutes or so and it's not doing anything. So let me just wash my hair and maybe I'll just give you guys feedback, but I don't even think I have the energy. But anyways, let me just show you real quick what's going on, guys. Like I don't know who is the problem. Is it me or is it Inecto? Who is the problem? But anyways, let me show you guys. So the sides are pretty dyed. I'm even lazy to talk, guys. So there's the front part, which is completely black. Nothing changed, nothing. But when you open inside, there's like patches. How is this even possible? Look, what the hell's going on? Like, it could be a look. I actually wanted to wear makeup and then, you know, try to style this, but I do not have the hope and the energy. So the second session actually tried to dye this part. I don't know what's going on at the back. I don't even take time to look. So there's this part. This is how the back is looking. I don't know what's going on. I didn't even bother to look. Anyways, I'm just gonna go and do bunty knots and then, you know, just go ahead and call it a day. But anyways, that is it from this video. I don't know whether to show you the hair or not, but anyways, this is it from this video, guys. Like, I think let's just close the video like this. So this is it from this video and my failure. I don't know what's the problem, whether it's my hair or it's Inecto or it's the fact that I dyed my hair black like few weeks ago. Not really few weeks ago, it's been like a month, I think. So I don't know what the hell is going on in Inecto. Like, I think this is the better angle, guys. I'm so sorry to actually, you know, be like this. I think this is way better. You know, we're trying to get an angle here. But anyways, I think I'm gonna continue with this series of dyeing hair. I'm actually having fun, although I'm failing. I'm kind of having fun, y'all. So I think I'm just gonna go and buy a different brand and see where it goes. And I think we're gonna keep with this series since I wanna pause a little bit on makeup. So if you're interested to see this kind of content and you know, me failing, please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment. And y'all, I'll see you on the next series of bleaching my hair or something like that. We'll see what we're gonna do. I think I just want to continue with this hair thing because I'm not about to give up. I really want to understand what is going on with my hair, whether the dye, guys, I actually checked the expiry date. The expiry date is cool, and I didn't buy it from the Chinese. I actually went to ShopRite, so I have no idea what's going on. Either it's my hair or it's Inecto. Who is the problem? But anyways, that is it from this video, guys. So peace out from me and my I don't know what to call this, patchy blondish reddish blonde hair, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.